No gym? No problem. Embrace the home workout revolution. Want to get fit but dread the gym? Don't worry. You can achieve incredible results right from your living room. No fancy equipment, no monthly fees, just you and the burning desire to become a fitter, healthier version of yourself. It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace the home workout revolution. Many people think you need a gym membership to get in shape. That's just not true. With bodyweight exercises, you can work every muscle group effectively. Plus, home workouts offer unmatched flexibility. Squeeze in a workout before work, during your lunch break, or even while watching your favorite show. Remember, consistency is key. Even dedicating just 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a world of difference. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. Short, focused workouts can be incredibly effective, especially when combined with a healthy diet. So are you ready to ditch the excuses and embrace the freedom of home workouts? Let's get started. Let's get home workout heroes. Unleash your potential with bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight training is the ultimate equalizer. It allows anyone, regardless of fitness level or experience, to build strength, endurance, and flexibility using just their body weight. No dumbbells, no barbells, just pure, unadulterated you versus gravity. Think of your body as a powerful machine, capable of performing a wide range of movements. From squats and lunges to push-ups and planks, each exercise targets specific muscle groups, helping you build a balanced and functional physique. But bodyweight training isn't just about building muscle. It also improves cardiovascular health, boosts metabolism, and increases bone density. It's a holistic approach to fitness that benefits both your body and mind. So, ditch the bulky equipment and embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of bodyweight training. You'll be amazed at what your body can achieve with a little dedication and the right mindset. Your home workout launchpad, a beginner-friendly routine. Ready to embark on your home workout journey? This beginner-friendly routine will get you started on the right track. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. High knees, 30 seconds. Butt kicks, 30 seconds. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Plank, 3 sets, hold for as long as possible. Crunches, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Stretching, hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember to focus on proper form over speed. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the number of sets, reps, or workout duration. Section 4. Finding your fitness groove. Tips for staying motivated. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term fitness success. Here are a few tips to keep you going. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can make a world of difference. You can motivate each other and hold each other accountable. Make it fun. Choose activities you enjoy and mix up your routine to prevent boredom. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to never give up. Section 5. Listen to your body, champion your progress. As you embark on this fitness journey, remember to listen to your body. Don't be afraid to take rest days when needed and adjust the intensity of your workouts based on how you feel. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Each step you take, each rep you complete, is a victory worth acknowledging. Embrace the process and remember that consistency is key. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or compare your progress to others. Everyone's fitness journey is unique. Focus on your own growth and celebrate your own achievements. Section 6. It's time to rise and shine. Your fitness journey starts now. The power to transform your health and well-being is in your hands. No more excuses, no more delays. It's time to lace up those sneakers, crank up the music, and unleash the fitter, healthier you. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and watch as you achieve your fitness goals one step at a time. Now go out there and crush it.